you'd be amazed if you look around and you hear people talk about their future and they lay things out that are amazing and beautiful, but they don't really, I don't think they're able to see the vision. So I wanted to talk about options because I was really a little bit annoyed with that whole black jobs conversation, to be honest with you. I just kind of didn't understand the obsession with black jobs. I did explain in the podcast episode, and by the way, you can find it on Spotify or you can go to drboycetv.com if you want to hear it. I did explain what I think someone might mean when they say black jobs. I've heard Democrats say it, I've heard Republicans say it. So a black job could either be defined as jobs that are held by black people, or it could be defined in a more egregious way, which would be jobs that are relegated to black people. That this is the black job, this is the white job, this is the Asian job. For example, I would say basketball player or something or rapper is typically a black job. Like NFL player, that's a black job. Team owner, that's not a black job. Jerry Jones and all the other team owners do not look like you and I. Maybe if you're talking about garbage man or something, maybe that used to be a black job to some people. Senior engineer at Google is not a black job. That's not because if you go to the meeting of all the senior engineers at Google and you gather them all in a room, you're going to see a whole bunch of white guys, you're going to see a whole bunch of Indian people and Asian people, and you might see one or two black people, but you won't see a lot, right? So basically, to some extent, there is, in my view, in America, there is a hierarchy. There's a hierarchy of what they consider to be the black jobs versus the white jobs.